Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create feature on your Facebook. So Facebook actually changed their Facebook story timeline to featured. Initially, I don't get this as feature. I used to get it as my story timeline. So this just changed, and I want to show you guys how to create your feature on Facebook. Now, click on your profile area, click on the menu icon, and now click on your profile icon. Now, if you scroll down on the area where you usually have your story highlight, this used to be the story highlight. I think this has gone away, but initially this is the notification I got. I just took a screenshot because I know it was going away. So it says story highlight are now featured. So since it changed to featured, once you click on the view featured, you are going to see this. So right now they have actually changed it to the featured. So in order to create your featured, this is just all you need to do. You notice right now it actually displaying like my story highlight. Like if I click on this, it still displays like my story highlight. Now to create a featured, it's still very similar to the story highlight, just that it changed the name and they removed the previous one that used to be featured photo. You notice there is no longer featured photo. So both the featured photo and the story are now merged as one. So they are now called featured. So if you click on new right now, you'll be able to see your camera roll. If you notice, the first option is my camera roll, and when you scroll down a little, you are going to see my story, and the story actually meaning the previous story that I've used on this phone. Now if I click on to see all, it's going to display all my camera roll, and I can scroll and select any of the picture I want to display on my camera roll. So let me go ahead and choose some of these guys and then click on next to upload. Now you notice it still displays your Facebook story. This is exactly how stories highlights used to display, but now it's called featured. So if you want to give it a title, so just give it a title on your collection. I'm going to call this So this is called personal pick as a title. Now I can still change the cover. In order to change the cover to have a unique cover, I'm going to go ahead and create a cover with just as I did before. I'm going to create a cover with Canva. So wait for it. Now, if you don't know how to make use of Canva, you can check some of my tutorial already created on how to use Canva. Now, in order to make use of create this, just click on this plus icon right there. Now, I want to make use of the Instagram story size so that it's going to give a fitting size to our. I don't want any of this, but it's taking too much time. And this is giving me 6 pages, but I don't want 6 pages. I want only this guy. So I'm going to remove this and this. Looking fine for me. Now once you are done, go ahead and click on this icon to download the image. You notice it gives you an option to save the image, and the image is preparing for saving, and just give it some time to load up. Now it's done. It's already saved on your device. You can just go to your gallery to confirm that the image is saved. Now there you go, that is the image. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on right there on the cover. I'm going to choose upload and then choose this image and now click done. So the image has been selected as the cover image. Now you notice these are the images that are inside of it. So I'm okay with this. So once you are ready to use this as the cover, click on use. So you notice that is the cover and this is the profile image. Now if you're okay, just go ahead and click on save. It's going to save the image. This is going to take a while to complete the saving. Just allow it to load up and then your image is going to be saved. Wait for it. All right, now our image has been saved successfully. So if you notice down there, it says personal. When you click on it, you'll be able to view the image just like the other ones too. So that is just how to create featured photo, how to create featured either photos or videos on your Facebook. So Facebook feature is like the new thing, no longer highlights or story highlights. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Stay safe, guys. Peace.